You know, we do the same things that most people would do in a house, except we do it mobile.
I've got my laundry, I've got my washer and dryer, we've got our toaster oven, our microwave, our TVs. Before in our old RV, we were very limited.
It had lead acid batteries, had one lead acid battery, and what would happen is it wouldn't take much of a drive day for that one battery to just go to nothing. We found ourselves not being able to use anything other than basically a light switch.
Whereas with this unit, we can go for days.
You know, we've got 1,200 watts of solar on the roof, 2 3,000 watt Victron inverters, and we also have 3 270 amp hour Battleborn lithium batteries. There's a lot of batteries that put the LiPo name on there that won't stand up to that test of time. You know, we're traveling in this RV, it's our home. We have our children in here, our pets in here. We want a battery that's gonna last and be safe. We can stay connected to our loved ones, and our kids can stay connected to their friends. So it's nice to have a constant internet source powered by Battleborn that I know isn't gonna let us down.
You know, when Hugh and I were growing up, we saw like the Grand Canyon in school books or in magazines, and granted we do have the internet nowadays, but it is still really cool to homeschool our kids on the road full time and then see these really amazing places in these books and walk out our front door and see it firsthand and in person.
It's been a lot of fun to do these things with the kids and experience this with the kids versus waiting till we're older to do it by ourselves and then not getting to share these memories with them.
Battleborn gives us a lot of confidence to kind of go off the beaten path, take that dirt road, take that adventure that we normally wouldn't have done before. And that's one thing that really draws us to Battleborn, is giving us that option if we want to take it.